God already did that. He said, come out from among them, be ye separate. The devil's trying to get us to come together.
My name is Darryl B. Hampton. Welcome to the channel. Stay tuned for an important lesson. Subscribe. Let's get it.
Seems like everybody get their season of abuse in this country, which means they get a season and then they get a break. They get a season and they get a break. But that hasn't been the case with my people. Seems like rain or sunshine, ice or frost, green leaves or fall. It's always an attack. I mean, you get to the point where you be like, they looking for something to try to keep in people's mind that we animals, to slander us. They have a news clip about the same person on the same case that look like us for 10 months until they find something else to replace it. Well, that already should be out. No, we got to keep it in mind, keep it in mind, keep it in mind. And the only thing they can say is, oh, well, you know, that's the devil just trying to divide us. No! That's the devil using you. He ain't trying to divide us. God already did that. He said, come out from among them, be ye separate. The devil's trying to get us to come together. Trying to think what that term is when they kind of get people to come together. It's all about civil rights and what that term is. What that term is. Cause they were going against segregation, so they was trying to get you know what I'm talking about. Integration. God's a God of segregation. The devil's a God of integration. He wants you to come together so he can mix you, defile you, water you down, take from you, keep you close, so they can steal from you your ideals, your heritage, your looks, your face. Integration is not a tool of strengthening, it's a tool of weakening.